Hi, I'm Matt Turnbell. Thanks for selecting Monument Mortgage. I appreciate you trusting me with such an important part of your home buying process. We have prepared a short video that provides all the information you need to understand the mortgage process. You'll be introduced to a team of professionals that will help you along the way. The video will also help you avoid areas that could cause a bump in the road. Thanks for your business and enjoy the ride.
You have taken a very important step toward home ownership. Your mortgage application has been taken and a team of professionals has been assigned to you. You are on the road. Your loan processor will provide you with a list of required documents. It is important to review this list carefully and mail or upload the information as soon as possible. Creating a Monument Web Center account will expedite this process. Information on how to create your account will be provided to you. If any of your information has changed or if we are missing any pertinent financial information, please notify your loan officer immediately. There may be additional documentation required as a result. After the home inspection is completed and acceptable, the property appraisal will be ordered. To make sure you reach your final destination on time, it is important that we keep your mortgage commitment date, also known as the contingency date, clearly in view. Standard industry practice is that we submit your file to underwriting at least 8 business days prior to your commitment date. When your loan is approved, there may be additional conditions that must be met prior to closing. To ensure that you arrive at your closing date on time, you must send these items to your loan processor immediately. When your file is clear to close, the Monument closing team takes over. They will coordinate a closing date with you, the closing attorney, and the real estate brokers. All parties listed on the mortgage application must attend the closing. There are a few application areas that can create bumps in the road to home financing. They involve your credit, employment, and asset history. Monument Mortgage is here to help you avoid any obstacles. The important message is for you to stay in cruise control. Your credit report is ordered at the beginning of the mortgage application process and again right before closing for quality control or QC purposes. Between the initial credit report and the QC report, we highly recommend that you do not make any major purchases, do not open any new credit cards, even if there are offers for free financing, do not let anyone pull your credit. Even one inquiry can cause a delay. And please do continue to keep all existing accounts current. If any changes to your credit history do occur, please notify your loan officer as soon as possible. Keeping your employment history in cruise control is best, but we realize that career opportunities can present themselves at any moment. It is critical that you communicate any changes to your loan officer immediately. This includes a position change, a temporary leave, a change of employer, a change in pay structure, anything related to your employment or income that is different from when you initiated your application. As with your credit history, a QC verification of your employment will be ordered. We will call your employer just before closing to verbally verify your employment. It is helpful if you alert your employer about this phone call to ensure a prompt response. The last area that could bring the approval process to a stop is asset verification. Remember, 2 months of bank or investment account statements are required. The activity in these statements is scrutinized thoroughly, and a paper trail will need to be provided for any activity that is unusual. The following are examples of asset activities that may require explanation or confirmation. Is your bank account a business or personal account? Have you transferred money from one account to another? Have you received a gift of funds from a family member? Have you liquidated any stocks? Have you borrowed against a 401k? Have you received a bonus? Have you sold an asset? You are in the driver's seat, so please communicate with your loan officer any asset activity that may require additional information. They will guide you through the verification process and keep your application on the road to closing. On the road to mortgage financing approval, we want to see only green lights. If you follow the rules of the road detailed in this video and communicate any changes in direction, your ride to home ownership will be a smooth one. Monument Mortgage is here to help. Our personal service extensive experience, and in-depth knowledge make us the perfect co-pilot.